Alright guys, I finally finished my frame build. So I designed the frame and now the build is finished as well. And as you can see, it took a little bit longer than expected. So I kinda have to fly in the dark. This is the Kuhl 35. Yeah. I put a lamp on it in the hopes that I have enough light to fly it. And let's see how bad of an idea this is. Okay, guys, let's try this. We are flying. So what is the idea behind the frame? So you all probably know that I like the discus, and this is basically a discus, but you can put a better camera on it, a better FPV camera. So right now I'm flying with the Nano V3. Normally I fly the Nano V3 on the discus, but this one can take the Micro V3. So we get a little bit better picture and we get better low light performance, which we are right now fully using. Like, it is super dark already, as you can see. The GoPro probably won't record anything but sound right now. Also I put a little LED headlight on the quad so I can do the maiden flight. Here we are. The dog eyes are glowing already. The quad sounds fairly nice. I will do a punch out in the hopes that it doesn't come back down uncontrollably. Okay. Nice. Keep in mind, this is not tuned, this is just Betaflight stock. We are at almost 250 grams, so we are just under. It will be over with the action cam, and it is probably over with the lamp on it, with the headlight. But it flies pretty similar to the discus, I feel. I think it's pretty cool. Also I put the AOS Supernova motors on it, the new ones. Chris Rosser made some for the discus basically. They are 1404 and have 4000 kV, so that's like perfect for light 3.5 inch quads and 4S. So I got some. They were really expensive, but I had to try them. Okay, we are already down to 3.6 volts. That's mostly because it's cold and the Lipo is very old. Like, it has a 1 on it. Like, I know if you know, the Dogcom Lipos always send you some stickers that you can put on your Lipos, and this one got the number 1, so it's the oldest one I have. It's almost 2 years old now. I like the Micro V3 as well. It can do 16:9 natively, so you get a little bit more field of view. Nice. Okay, 3 minutes and 40 with a super old Lipo and pretty cold weather. It's flying pretty nicely. I'm happy with it. Keep in mind, it's not tuned. Let's do another pack. I'm not doing freestyle here because it's fairly dangerous, as you can imagine. Okay, this one is even smaller. The Lipo is smaller. probably because it's less puffed than the one I had before, which is, I guess, not a good sign for the Lipo I had before. Okay, let's go again. I'm not sure if you can see the red glow. That's the dog. Okay, let's go. Too slow, dog, too slow. I want to do a speed run just for the lock. Let's just do it along the way here. There's a little field road here. Okay, now it's really dark. I brought another lamp so I can see where I am. Because when I fly higher, my headlights don't do anything. Like right now it's like pitch black. That's fun. It's fairly unbalanced, as you can imagine, with the lamp, but I found one that's pretty light. It's like 330 grams, the lamp. Let's see if we can find the dog. I put some light on him as well. He's not happy about the drone. The drone hits different in the dark, right? Was ist das, Lulu? So Angst? I think he is a little more cautious than normally. Nice. Dog. This is so much fun. Also I tested another headlight and that one was flickering like crazy. This one is really stable. So it's actually worth to put a little bit more money in it. And also with the microcam, which is already better at low light, it's actually flyable, even with pitch black lighting here. Nice. Okay, I think we pushed it enough for the conditions. Let's land and check the logs. I'm curious how bad it is. Whoopsie. Alright guys, I will do another video and you can see more. I hope at least that you got a glimpse of it. This is the Kuhl 35 teaser. Until next time.